there was a lot of humps and everything, a lot of little bars that was going to trap water and keep it from flowing down, probably back up into the woods here. So we was able to cut this ditch in, really get it a nice flow coming downhill, all the way down, cleaned up. So no water's ever going to get trapped. No water's going to reach above this hill, and the property is going to stay safe, and the driveway is going to stay intact.
Awesome. So it's really important that we have a ditch over, and it kind of raises it up at the front, so water, if in case it does rain here, it just goes to this ditch and it doesn't reach the property.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
It drains off pretty fast.
Yes, yeah.
Kind of like pre-planning everything. Might as well do it one time, right?
Yeah.